Welcome to Class 5 Mathematics session. Today we will talk about HCF or GCF. Children, HCF is highest common factor and GCF is the another name of HCF called as greatest common factor. We will find HCF using Venn diagram. Children, you are very well know about what is a Venn diagram. We are going to write down the factors in circles and overlap them so that the common factors can be written in between them. We will understand this better using example question. Let us take a question to determine the GCF of 42 and 36 using Venn diagram. We know that Venn diagram can be drawn by using circles. So here I have taken a circle of 42 and 36. One side we will be writing the factors of 42 and on another side we will be writing the factors of 36. So, 42 factors are 6 and 7 because 6 sevens is 42. Further, 6 can be written as 3 twos are 6. So, factors of 6 are 3 and 2. Now, let us write the factors of 36. 2 18 times gives us 36. Where 18 can also be written as 2 9 times. So, I have written 18 as 2 and 9 factors. Further, 9 can be written as the factor of 3 and 3. So, this is the complete factors of 36. Further, we will see that which factors are common in 42 and 36. So, I can see 2 is common over here. So, I will underline this 2 in both 42 and 36 and placed it in the overlap section of Venn diagram. Also, I can see over here that 3 is also common in 42 and 36. So, I placed that also on the overlap section. Now, 7 is the uncommon factor. So, it is placed only in the 42 circle section. Similarly, the factors of 36, 2 and 3 are uncommon. So, they are going to placed in 36 section. Now, here the GCF of 42 and 36 is the common factors which are in the overlapping section. So, 2 3s is 6. Let us solve one more question of finding the GCF or HCF of 60 and 84 using Venn diagram. Here, first I will find out all the factors of 60. 6 tens are 60, further 3 twos are 6 and 2 fives is 10. Further, I am going to find out all the factors of 84, which is 2 into 42. 42 can be further written as 6 into 7 and 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So, the factors of 84 are complete. Now, let us write the common factors of 60 and 84 in the overlapping area of circle, which is 2. One more time, I have 2 in common between 60 and 84 factors. So, that also I have written in the overlapping area. And also, factor 3 is common. Now, I am going to multiply all the common numbers. When we are going to multiply 2 into 2 into 3, we'll get 12, which is our HCF or GCF. Thank you, dear students. I hope you understood. This is the way we find out the HCF or GCF using Venn diagram. Take care.